What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wikup Entertainment. A number of fighters out there are not happy with Sizwe Mpofu and his podcast for continuously inviting MK members. These MK members that are being invited, like Floyd Shivambu, are attacking the EFF and more like driving a wedge into the EFF, and these fighters are not happy with that. So they have somehow decided to boycott his podcast. Sizwe Mpofu responded to this boycott by the EFF and said it's just petty, naive, and wrong to be doing that because this is just a platform where people come and speak. You can't expect everyone to be coming and saying something good about you all the time. Obviously, there's someone who's going to come and say something that you don't like. It's the same with the EFF themselves. They can even go on the podcast and say something that can even offend the ANC. But at the same time, the EFF, they never boycott the SABC and other traditional media platforms. But the MK party members also go to those same platforms, the SABC and ENCA, and speak bad about the EFF. But somehow they are now targeting this small podcast and saying want to boycott them. But from my view and analysis, this is just a moment that is going to pass. Once this phase is over, the EFF is definitely going to return back to Sizwe Mpofu's podcast and start speaking there again. So that is what is happening in the podcast world. The number of fighters are not happy with Sizwe Mpofu for inviting, let's say, Floyd Shivambu, who attacked the EFF left, right, and center. So tell me what you think, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.